we present a new approach for interactive object segmentation. Thereby, a human iteratively collaborates with the computer vision model to segment an object. Given as input an image and a set of user corrections on the current segmentation, the model updates the segmentation. Previous methods keep the model parameters frozen at test time. We propose to treat user corrections as training examples to adapt our model parameters on the fly. We use these user corrections in two ways. In single image adaptation, we iteratively adapt model parameters after each click so it learns the appearance of this object and its background. In image sequence adaptation, we continuously adapt the model parameters with each object segmented, so the model gets optimized on the test sequence and improves as it is used. The model is trained on Pascal and tested on several other datasets. These span increasingly difficult adaptation scenarios, going from distribution shift to specializing to a class, and even large domain changes by testing on medical and aerial data. We outperform a frozen model in all of them.